Money. What comes to your mind when you hear the word money? Money has the ability to bring creation or destruction. It could make lives easier or pull you lower. It may be a blessing that helps you turn your aspirations into reality, or it may be a burden that you're never without. However, no matter what you think money is, you cannot deny that it has all the potential to lead to something. Mastering the world of money makes you the boss of your own life. And failure to do so, money might be the one to boss you around.
Pennywise, the channel focuses on exploring wealth and increasing savings through life changing practices about personal finance, money earning and management tips, avoiding hoaxes, and so much more. Our goal is to equip you with a Pennywise mindset through your journey to fund and help you experience the life you desire. So please join us on this exciting adventure by clicking the subscribe button below.
Handling money is no easy job. It requires a series of trial and error on what strategies would work for your lifestyle, mindset, and practices. Tony Robbins, a renowned life coach of some of the most influential people like US presidents, published the book Money, Master the Game. In his book, he talked about 7 ways you can follow while you pursue the path to financial freedom. And in this video, we will go in depth about each step. Realize what the ultimate power is. Money is often regarded as the most powerful object in the world, but that is not entirely true. Money has no inherent power. It only gains strength if you give it to it. In the present world, money has become very powerful because society gives much importance to its existence. Without putting any value on money, it would just be a piece of printed paper manufactured in factories. No matter how significant the number, it always depends on how we determine its worth. For example, when you are asked to choose which is the bigger number, 5 or 1316, the obvious answer would be 1316. However, the value changes when you realize that 1316 Korean won is just equivalent to $1. Suddenly, 1316 becomes a less significant number. Its value would always be subjective and depends on the set of norms and rules of the place. Your ability to concentrate and your mental status is the true ultimate power. Instead of putting all the power in money, hone your innate skills. Focusing on yourself first enables you to control your life's direction more effectively. It prevents your life being measured by the amount of cash you have. Understand that 80% of wealth is psychology. Many individuals blame their lack of resources when they fail to make money. However, Robin sees it otherwise. According to him, you have to realize that the lack of resources is not entirely the reason behind, but the psychology of the person. He states that only 20% comprises the resources or the mechanics of this money game, and the rest is up to the mindset. This concept is similar to the rich mindset perspective, and if you want to learn about it more, we have a separate video on this channel. Those with a wealthy mindset see difficulties as stepping stones rather than obstacles, and every failure is a chance to learn and improve. You can get out of your way and achieve money success when you focus on your strengths and strengthen your mentality. Become financially literate. It becomes a problem when you are not confident on your own abilities. You might often think that I cannot do this and that. If you do this frequently, it becomes a part of you and somehow a reality. Assuming you are not smart enough to learn all the math and new information involved in becoming a money master. Understanding financial statements and knowing basic words are critical. It may be challenging, like you were thrown into an unfamiliar jungle, but it is a skill and knowledge everyone should have access to. You would want to acquire these skills to be financially literate. Sure, you could hire a financial expert to help you with money matters, but it would be more efficient if you understood what is going on, especially since it is your money involved in the process. Set goals. Financial independence is an essential component of a happy existence. Financial independence on its own isn't a tangible objective that you can easily accomplish or buy in a supermarket. Making an intensive action plan is a way to achieve true financial mastery. Ask yourselves of the what, why, and hows. What do you want? What is the end goal? Why do you want to achieve this? How will you achieve it? It is essential to have your objectives and goals aligned with each other. If you have answered the questions above, plan small and digestible step-by-step plans. Pacing yourself slowly but calculatedly is better than to rush yourself to the process. Apply the SMART goals to your projects. These small steps would eventually lead to your big thing. Don't fret, before you know it, you're on the road to financial freedom. Get the tools you need. Although it was noted earlier that only 20% comprises the materials, you still should not overlook this. It is a small percentage compared to psychology, but lacking this would still lead to a potential failure. Have yourself equipped with strategies and resources. One click online would give you hundreds of free financial talks and webinars. You can utilize these free resources to lead to a bigger and broader knowledge scale. Use the law of attraction. It sounds absurd to some people, but the law of attraction really does work. It is not some kind of worldly magic, but it depends on the energy and things you attract and lean on. If you focus on positivity, change, and goals, these things will come to you. One of the best examples of this is using the power of proximity to your advantage. If you surround yourself with successful individuals and follow their example, you will tend to mirror their actions, mindsets, and even habits. Humans are like sponges that absorb the external factors around them to make up their whole being. Surrounding yourself with positive and goal-oriented people boosts your confidence and knowledge significantly. If you are surrounded by people with bad habits and a weak mentality, you will absorb the hostile atmosphere, making it harder for you to grow. And to end this video, let me emphasize the last tip. Be the creator of your own life. Mastering your money management skills could mean that you have the ability to lead your life efficiently. Remember that you are not the controller of your life's circumstances. Instead, you are the creator of your own destiny. When you believe that life is happening for you rather than to you, you will comprehend that you have power. You may begin turning disappointments into accomplishments and alter your reactions to events so that they will always benefit you. As the author of your life, you have the power to create a hunger for success that overcomes your fear of failure and gives you the confidence to go after your ambitions. If you want to learn more about finances, consider subscribing by clicking the big red button below and ring the notification bell to get notified when we upload new videos. Feel free to like and comment your thoughts so we'll know your feedback. Thanks for tuning in and see you again in our next video.